who is sustainer and the maintainer of the all universe, and who is Lord of Lords. Today I am here to share my journey about the sector. Yes, I remember the day when I took admission. That day was 1st June 2014, and almost been 10 years. I have spent 10 years. One decade is about to be finished. So if I see myself, if I think about myself, so I see big change in myself. So the credit goes to the sector team and the director of sector. Big hands for it. Maybe it was a biggest journey, it was a tremendous journey. Actually, when I took admission, I did not know about the alphabets, as Mashuk also proclaimed that he did not know ABC. So the same condition was with me as well. But when I entered in the section, it recognized me, it gives me new identification. I got my new identification, and Alhamdulillah, today these all students know me just because of the sector and because of this institution. As a student, I was a hard worker, but I faced a lot of difficulties. But when I became a teacher, when I got chance in the sector, as Sir Rahman gave me chance of the teaching, so slowly, gradually, I learned many things. Even the tenses, clauses, direct, narration, piecewise, all things were not clear. But when I became a teacher, when I got a chance, so Alhamdulillah, today, Alhamdulillah, I can teach, and it is just credited goes to the Haji Abdul Rahman Sahab. If we talk about the sectional team, so it is very tremendous, it is very remarkable. I really appreciate all staff members. So जब staff ऐसा होगा, इतनी काबिल तारीफ होगा, तो director कैसा होगा उसका? The success behind this institution, I have the name, I want to tell you the name, that success, actually success, इस कामयाबी के पीछे क्या राज है? I am telling you the name of the worthy kings of sector, Miss Samreen Masood. Today females are in front of us due to her, because she inaugurated female section. If she would not be there, if she would not be, start the classes, so there will not be a single female in front of us. So really, big hands for Miss Samreen Masood as well. Actually, she is not with us, but she is always in the section, she is always in the herd. And Mr. Abdul Latif Jamur, you know well, the famous personality, the unknown personality. He is a great person. So he was deputy director, and due to him, today Alhamdulillah, we are on this stage. He gave us the lots of contribution, he gave us motivation to us. Then Sir Abdul Hamid Doda Sahab, especially remarkable. You know, his efforts, his success is in front of you. Today the computer section is going on due to him. On behalf of him, it goes on. So Abdul Hamid and Mr. Nasir Lango, especially big hands for Mr. Nasir Lango, Mr. Ghaffar, Mr. Nasir, and the famous personality, Mr. Shehzad Ali Bajwa. His efforts, his struggles are remarkable. His efforts are countless. If I say that he's the one only, he has given lots of efforts. Then Sir Abid Ramzan Muja, Mr. Niaz, Mr. Shakil Jan Muja, Mr. Mashuk Ali, as he proclaimed, as he delivered a speech in front of you. You have seen now, this is the success of this institution. This is the success of the institution. This is the symbol of this institution. This is the remarkable of this institution. And Mr. Arshad Ali, Managing Director, he leads a branch with all shoulders, the all responsibilities on him. He leads from the front, and he leads in the great way, in authentic way, really remarkable. Then Mr. Asghar Jamal, Afzal Jamal, their efforts are remarkable. Big hands for them. Mr. Ehsan, Mr. Sarwar, Mr. Mr. Mushtaq, Mr. Akhtar, Mr. Nasir. If I describe the all personalities, I will take 10 hours. So I don't have that much time. Director sector will not allow me to speak that much. So if I talk about my journey, 10 years, one decade is about to be finished. If you see 1st June 2014 and today is 25th 2024, almost 10 years I have spent. So if I tell about my journey, it was really a tremendous journey, it was comfortable journey, it was the difficult journey as well. Actually, I live 5 kilometers far from the institution, but I did not think a single moment that these 5 kilometers are just for me a half kilometer. I did not think that I am living far, see that it is very far, I could not study, I did not give up. So if I am just giving you example, if the person who has the passion, who has the sincerity, who has the seriousness, definitely he will succeed in every life, every sphere of life, he will get success. If he has the seriousness, if he has the sincerity, and if he believes in himself, if he is believing in Almighty Allah, then definitely he will get success in every sphere of life. And the female section, Miss Zebulnisa, Miss Aisha, Miss Fatma, Miss Aruba, Miss Mariam, Miss Nabila, these are also our staff members. Her efforts, her success are tremendous, remarkable. I have no words to give appreciation to them. And Mr. Faizan, Mr. Darren, Mr. Zahir, all are. And at the last, me, myself. So due to shortage of time, I could not tell others' name. So I'm sorry. मैं माजूर करता हूँ अगर जिसका मैं नाम नहीं ले सका, तो I'm really sorry from the core of heart. These are admirable kings of sector. Due to them, on behalf of them, today the sector is standing. Means sector on its position. So really, the remarkable. They are really remarkable. They are kings of sector. Once again, clapping for them. And at the last, big hand for our director, our beloved, our worthy director, Sir Haji Abdul Rahman sir. Thank you so much for listening. अगर मेरी तरफ से कोई बात बुरी लगी हो तो माजूर.